Hello fellow riders. How often do you actually check the air pressure on your motorcycle? Or is this video going to be the reminder that you need to do it today? Even if you don't like working on bikes, like me, I'm not interested in cranking on any motorcycle. There's still a few maintenance things you have to do, and checking the air pressure is one of them. It is critical for safety. Motorcycles only have 2 small wheels compared to a car with 4 and lots of rubber on the road. So low air pressure can actually be a real issue when you're riding. I personally go and check all the tires on all my bikes minimally every 2 weeks. And I always find that most of my bikes are going to require at least 1 or 2 PSI to get back to the pressure that I like to ride at.
I use this great inflator. It is fast and you can set the desired pressure and simply let it run and shut off automatically. In terms of pressure, you should always start with what your bike's manual recommends, and then as you get more experienced, adjust as appropriate. For me, personally, I find my sport bikes ride best at 40 PSI and my cruisers at 36. And yes, having a stem valve cap is important. The rubber seal in the cap does prevent air loss, and it also keeps dirt and moisture from contaminating the valve core or causing air loss. Leave in the comments how often you check, and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Once my tires are checked, it's time for a ride.